Good morning. What is this? Wednesday, December 17th. Gonna be a very, very quick video. Yesterday, 223 and off to a balmy 2.57 this morning. Yesterday was that Hong Kong card, 85 bucks. And today I have 10 orders going out. I had already shipped after I quit my video yesterday. I had, I don't know, 3 or 4 orders come in, and I just packed those because I was still sitting here. So I don't have a whole bunch going out today. It's not going to take very long to pack because most of it's airplane and train cards, which I've already pulled. First card looks like it's going to Germany. British Airways cockpit flight deck, whatever you want to call it. So it looks like stamp and a prayer for this one. Had my first print fail sometime overnight. It was a 14-hour print. It's these it's the tabs for the card stays. I don't know what happened, but sometime after midnight or so, it it failed. So I don't know what happened. I'm using a different type of filament for that, so that could have been it. So anyway, going to Germany. The thumbnail, I had some entitled person have it's like a rest stop restaurant somewhere up in New York. It's called Rest Apple or Apple Rest or something like that. The view I have is uncommon, and cards in really good condition, and it's newly listed. I have it priced at 25 bucks, and someone was like, "Hey, I want this card," and they made an offer of $8, which I had as auto decline, and they sent me a message that, "What's the very best you will take for this?" And I said, "Well, it's only been listed for not even a month yet." I said, I usually don't accept, I said, I usually don't send offers for more than 10% off within the first month, but I'd put best offer on every card again, but with the automatic decline of anything lower than 35%. So I wrote back and I was like, well, 1622 is the best I will take right now, which was 35% off, which is very generous for a brand new card. And they wrote back and they did an offer. They saw that I said 1622, and they did another offer of $14, and it was pretty much that you should I want to buy this because I remember it from my childhood, and you need to send me an offer for $14. So at that, I just ignored him at that point. And he's like, well, there's other ones out there cheaper, but they're damaged. That's why mine's 25 bucks. So he wrote back, he said, I'm just buying the $7 one, and it's in bad condition. And it's also from Canada. And he said that he's bought it, but last time I checked, because I was curious what the other condition was, it was still available, so he didn't buy it. But just an entitlement. Like, dude, this is how I support my family. I mean, if you're a plumber or whatever, and someone's like, well, I'm only going to give you 50% of what your work is worth, you'd be pretty pissed about that. So I just ignored him. I mean, they leave okay feedback, but I'm not about to discount a card that's only been listed for a month for half price almost. So, pound sand, buddy. So yeah, I've already pulled all these airplane cards. So it's gonna be oh, except for this one. This is one I was talking about yesterday. That I just found it, and that these always sell. Let's see if I can pick it out right away. Nope, it's in this somewhere. It might be toward the back. It is toward the back. So these are TOA. TOA Domestic Airlines, TDA. It's out of Japan. Airline issued. It was pretty much sitting in the same box as the Hong Kong card. And went for 16 something. Y28. UVW. So I know I have more of those in the boxes of airplane cards somewhere. Nice gas station. I like 2 of these. Yeah, that's cool. I got one with, I don't know, you can't see it. There's a blue car at the station. And then that one. I think I'd take the one with the blue car. 28. So I usually ignore those, the demand messages, you know. All that, and if it means so much to you, why are you trying to lowball me on it? And I've talked about this before, the people who buy it for a present. Oh, this is so special to me. It was my grandparents, whatever. You know, not only will I only give you $5 for it, but I will have you ship it. I'll pick free shipping and have it, you know, take a chance that it won't get there instead of spending an extra $3 or $4 for shipping. I guess it doesn't really mean that much to you, does it? Boy, sound kind of bitchy this morning. Got to move the microphone closer. So there's that. Pretty cool submarine right there. I think everything else is plain airplane cards. This will probably be about a 10-minute video. How do you handle entitled eBayers? You ignore them, go back at them. If I'm feeling a little feisty, sometimes I'll go back at them. That's only really if I'm in either a pissy mood or they've done something that really pissed me off. But usually I just ignore them, and if they keep it up, then I block them. There's a Constellation, and then the last one is Future Train. So I pretty much got the basement cleaned up. It's clean as it's been for quite a while. Floor's uncluttered, swept, looks nice. Now I got to do my upstairs office, make it a little bit more presentable. Okay, do a quick refresh. I doubt anything else has sold. Nothing has sold. Look at that, under 10 minutes. Okay, you'll have a great day. And, you know, if tomorrow I only get like a couple sales, there might be days I'm not going to do a video. It's not worth it for me to subject you all to this. So, anyway, have a good day. Bye.